the world's first non-alcoholic Trinidad sour. I've been wanting to do this, and now that Ian came out with all the bitter non-alcoholic bitters, we can finally do it. Yes! I made an orgeat syrup. I'm gonna get to that in a second, but I do know that I'm gonna need at least a 3/4 on the lemon juice. So Trinidad sour is one of my favorite drinks of all time because it uses, like, I don't know, some call for a 1/2 ounce of Angostura and some call for a whole ounce of Angostura. Depends on who you ask. But it was one of my favorite drinks of all time, hands down. And now we can make one in the non-alcoholic world. Here's your 3/4 lime. I'm gonna use the Free Spirits Bourbon because that is the other ingredient of the 4 that we have in here. I'm gonna go with a full ounce on this one. And then I am going to do the Aromatic, all the bitter, just launched. Thanks, Ian. Nice touch on the dinosaur. Woo! I'm doing it. I don't even know if you've done this yet, Ian, but I'm doing it right now. Oh man, you know what it tastes? It's like, it's so good. How much am I gonna do, Ian? How much? I'm gonna go. I got a 1/2 ounce in there. 1/2 ounce feel good? 1/2 ounce feel good? I'm gonna go 3/4 ounce. Oh, this is just out of control. Yes. Oh, I've been wanting to do this for so long. Trinidad sour, baby. I made my own orgeat. I'm going 3/4 ounce on this one too. Boom. Boom. I know, it feels good. Sometimes you can just feel it in a cocktail and it just feels good. Let's see what we got. Yeah! Woo! I told you it felt good. I told you it felt good. When it just goes to the top. I want to thank everybody for hanging out in this exciting time, non-alcoholic beverages and cocktails that we can do now. Thank you. This is Josh, the non-alcoholic. This is about to be a no booze review. Non-alcoholic Trinidad sour. What? One of those moments that you know you're making a memory. It's gonna last a long, long time. In this case, it's a non-alcoholic Trinidad sour. Thanks to all the bitter. And thanks to Free Spirits Bourbon and the orgeat that I just whipped up myself. Orgeat is an almond syrup. Blended up the almonds with some rich, simple. 3/4 ounce, all the bitter, aromatic. 3/4 ounce lemon. 1 ounce Free Spirits Bourbon. It's awesome. It's so good. I got a pretty thick orgeat, aka orgeat, but it's awesome. It works, Ian. Oh, cool. There's a spiciness. I think it's probably coming from the bourbon. This is just the beginning, guys. I want to do this for years. I'm so excited. It's gonna keep being exciting. The first year of Ocean Beach Cafe was to let people know that these products exist and what's coming out. This year, I want to show what fills the space when you remove the frequency of alcohol from it, yet you still have elements of amazing complex cocktails like this one. This, and this feeling I got right here in my solar plexus, yeah, you don't need alcohol. We got so many things to do. So stoked. Thanks for putting such an amazing product. It's got the bitterness to it and just all the fun flavors. We got more where that came from. This is Josh, the non-alcoholic. It's another No Booze Reviews.